name is Felix. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Grad4. I studied mechanical engineering at ETS and I've been working on a venture for the past 18 months.
I'm Yassine. I'm the CTO of Grad4. I'm studying also computational neuroscience at McGill, and I'm working on the technological and the research side of the venture.
So in the manufacturing industry, the subcontracting process haven't really evolved in the past 20 years. They track information using Excel spreadsheet and handwritten notes, and communication tools are mainly email, telephone, and even faxes. So we create a platform that allows to connect and collaborate with suppliers, creating a process that is way more efficient and easy.
To give one example of something that can be done, let's say you want to make a part, you have a specific geometry, but you don't know how much it will cost. You don't know if there's some shortage of materials. So this is the perfect setup because you take this part and then you take an historic of different geometry and different price point, and then you can detect, given the geometry, what the price will be. So this is just one example of what we can do and what we've been working on at Grad4, but the whole industry is striving with opportunity for AI. Yeah.
What I really enjoyed about Nextai was the contact with those experienced mentors. Some of them are really busy, and without the contact I got from Nextai, I could not be able to talk with them. So having access to them sometimes for half an hour, one-on-one, even an hour, it was amazing.
On the technical side, the quality of the classes were amazing, and the caliber of the researcher that were brought in was nice, and the fact that it was a small class size. Actually, like one of the class with Dr. Joel Pinot, I remember me taking a similar class when I was an undergrad, and there was like 500 people there, and then we were like 40, and I could just ask questions and just have a discussion with her, and that was great.
So one thing that was amazing is the classes with Corey Phelps. It was like a small executive MBA. And we were able afterwards to have one-on-one meeting with him. I took a few months, and it was amazing to have access to him. It was the first experience of these kind of studies, so I really enjoyed it.